Dear student, now test yourself. Read the following conversation between Rajat and a shopkeeper. They speak different kind of sentences. Write them as asked below. Dear student, रजत और एक दुकानदार के बीच दी गई इस वार्तालाप को पढ़िए। वे विभिन्न प्रकार के सेंटेंसेज बोलते हैं और उनको नीचे दिए गए पूछे गए अनुसार वापस लिखिए। रजत, गुड मॉर्निंग अंकल। शॉपकीपर बोलता है, गुड मॉर्निंग रजत, हाउ आर यू? एंड रजत, फाइन, आई वांट टू बाय अ सॉफ्ट टूथब्रश। शॉपकीपर, ओके, आई हैव अ गुड क्वालिटी सॉफ्ट टूथब्रश, प्लीज कम दिस साइड। रजत, हाउ मच डज इट कॉस्ट? Shopkeeper, it costs Rs50. And Rajat, okay, I cannot buy it. How expensive it is? Dear student, from the above conservation, select the sentence and write them against their categories. Assertive sentence, positive, negative, interrogative and interrogative, negative. Dear student, the answer will be, dear student, assertive sentence, positive, I want to buy a soft toothbrush. Negative, I can't buy it, I don't have a soft toothbrush. Interrogative, positive, how are you? How much does it cost? Interrogative, negative, do you not have a soft toothbrush? Imperative sentence, please come this side. Exclamatory sentence, how expensive it is. Exercise number 2, identify the type of sentences given below and write in spaces provided against them whether they are affirmative, negative, interrogative, positive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory or optative. Dear student, first sentence is given, what a lovely sight it is. It is exclamatory sentence. All these things use electric power. Affirmative sentence, do you listen to the radio? Interrogative, positive, what are doing here? Interrogative, positive, the books are not on the table. Negative, please close the door. Imperative, don't make a noise. Imperative, may you succeed. Dear student, this is the optative. This is an optative sentence. Dear student, a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. First subject and second predicate. Dear student, what is subject? It is the part of a sentence which names the person or things we are speaking about. यानी ये वाक्य का वही हिस्सा होता है जिसमें नाम किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु का नाम होता है जिसके बारे में अपन बातचीत कर रहे होते हैं. एंड प्रेडिकेट, इट इज़ दैट पार्ट ऑफ ए सेंटेंस, ये वाक्य का वही हिस्सा होता है विच टेल्स अस समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, जो हमें सब्जेक्ट कर्ता के विषय में कुछ बताता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, माई ब्रदर लव्स रीडिंग. माई ब्रदर इज दैट पार्ट इज सब्जेक्ट वी आर रीडिंग अबाउट. लव्स रीडिंग इज द पार्ट ऑफ predicate which tells something about the subject. My school will open tomorrow. My school is subject and will open tomorrow is predicate. Keep in mind, याद रखिए, the subject of a sentence usually comes first, but sometime it may be after the predicate. For example, the bus comes here. In this sentence, subject is comes first, but here comes the bus. Here comes is predicate and the bus subject, which is after. Next, the predicate begins with earlier helping verb or main verb. Dear student, predicate वाला भाग या तो helping verb या main verb से शुरू होता है. For example, he is coming here. Predicate is helping verb, begins with helping verb is. He loves you very much. Loves begins and with main verb loves. Next, in imperative sentence, subject is absent, only predicate is present. In these sentence, the subject you is hidden. For example, thank you, you subject you is understood. Have you the medicine at time? It means you have the medicine at time, and predicate is given. Next, interrogative and exclamatory sentence, the subject is identified by subject is identified by finding out what or who is in who the subject sentence is about. For example, have you ever been to England? Here the subject is you, and have you ever been to England is predicate. What a beautiful flower it is. Here it is the subject, and is a beautiful flower is predicate part. What are the books? Where are the books? Here the books subject, and the rest of the sentence is predicate. Thank you.